Hi, this is Kuanbyr, a member here on 3D Buzz. What we're going to be learning in this course is GIMP, and we're going to be working with the version 2.8. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do, if you don't have it already, is download and install GIMP. And to do this, you just have to go to gimp.org, and then once you do, you'll see the download button. Now, we're going to be working with the Windows version since I don't use either Macs or Linux. So once we go here, you can download GIMP in two different ways. This first way will be a torrent, and if you don't have torrent stuff, you can click on this link, which is a direct exe download. Now, there is one other way that you can get GIMP, and that's the GIMP Portable. And that's available at portableapps.com. So once you go to portableapps.com and get to the GIMP Portable, it's just a download now from SourceForge. And if you can't spot it right off, the URL is right up here. And just type that into your browser. Now, the difference between the regular GIMP and then GIMP Portable is this version of GIMP, the regular version, will install onto your C drive, whereas the GIMP Portable, you can tell it where to install so that you can install it onto a flash drive or an SD card or whatever you need. So now that we've got it all downloaded, we can close that out. Actually, I'll just, You'll open up where you saved it. In this case, it's sitting right here for the full version. You'll double click on it. Okay. Now, you can either install, which is a direct install onto your C drive with no options, or you can customize. Click Next. Now here, you can choose between full installation, compact installation, which will remove unnecessary things, or custom installation, where you can turn on and off things that you want or don't want. Once you're happy with what you've selected, click Next, and it will then install. In my case, I've already got it installed, so I'm going to just cancel. Now, the other way is your GIMP Portable. Again, we select OK. Next. You can select additional languages if you need. Go Next. And then you can set up where it's going to install. So like if I wanted to go onto the SD card, which is my D drive, and then you would click Install, and it will then install for you. But again, I've already got it installed, so I don't need that, so I close that. But now that we got it installed, you just double click on the icon, and you have GIMP running. Now this is the full regular GIMP, and I can go Control Q to close that out. And this is the GIMP Portable. And it's now running. So in the next video, we'll start going through and showing you the user interface. Hope you enjoyed this one.